To add a new treatment partner. With the Add New Treatment Partner button in the bottom line of the list of treatment partners, you will come to an empty page for a new treatment partner, and you may fill in data. Take care to use the correct name of the treatment partner, as this name will appear in the list of choices for the reporters. Take care to provide a treatment partner per plant where we or we fractions are delivered to. In case even 2 companies per site. So, for example, one company is a shredder company and the other company is an incineration company. If you also want to add the headquarter of any company, add this location additionally and unclick the checkbox for visible in the acceptor list box. The national market for the country of the WE system, the RepTool installation, will be given as default value. But of course, you may change if you have a treatment partner from abroad by using the scroll down. You may choose from the countries in the European Union or EFTA, or the summary for outside of the European Union or EFTA. If you want to add countries from outside the European Union or EFTA, you may use the Countries menu point. For the language to create reports, English is chosen as presetting. You may choose any other language which is installed under your RepTool installation. See configuration for this. But you should think about it twice if you allow different languages under your installation. The checkbox visible in the acceptor list box, you will unclick if the treatment partner shall not be visible in the scroll down for acceptors for reporters. This may be the case if you create a directory for drafts, batches, or example reports for your own use. Then you may call the treatment partner, for example, WE system examples or similar. Other data are optional. If you have finished your data input on the treatment partner, you have to press the Add button, and additional areas for contact persons and RepTool users will appear. Adding contact persons is optional. Adding users is necessary. See Add users at treatment partners. If you have finished your data input on the treatment partner for this time, you have to press the Submit button, and the new treatment partner will be taken over to the list of treatment partners. You may edit all data on the treatment partner at any time. By using the pencil, you will come to the Edit Treatment Partner page, and you may edit data, add contact data, or users for the RepTool access. On the other hand, you may delete or hide treatment partners. Main difference is, if a treatment partner has already been used in a report, you may only hide him. This company will stay mentioned in the report where already used, but the company will not appear anymore in the list of choices for acceptors. If the treatment partner was not used yet, you may delete the company. If you press Delete Hide, you will get a warning message. Like in all cases, you may use the Cancel button to interrupt this process.